Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering who this random guy is. Want to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Vivian's boyfriend, quote unquote James.
Okay. This is James, my boyfriend. He's making his debut appearance on my channel, and honestly it's been a long time in the making. But we're living together now in our new apartment. Some of you might have already seen it in my One Us music video. Sorry, in my one...
You messed up!
Some of y'all might already have seen it in my One Us workout video. Big thank you to James for helping me move all of the furniture to set it up. You guys will see what I mean in a second. But today is just a really short video. I wanted to introduce James and introduce our new home. So here's a real quick before and after.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy
And that's it. That's the whole apartment. I know it's not the biggest thing in the world, but we really love it. I think we did a nice job furnishing and decorating it, at least for college students. Leave your comment what you think.
Yeah, and also leave more comments and suggestions of what you guys want to see in the apartment and more content with me and Vivian. I'm sure we have more stuff coming out, right?
Yeah, stay tuned. We might be dressing this one up like a K-pop star. He is Korean, even though I thought he was Chinese for like the first year I knew him. But anyways, that's it. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.